This video is going to cover slide transitions and also animations, so two directions here in one video. Slide transitions are how the pages turn on a slide, and there's some different graphics that we can choose for that. But slide animations are how things move within the slide. So sometimes you'll have your slide set up so that different words pop up at different times and the images can show up. So I'm going to show you an example. You've probably seen this slide if you were in Miss Bonham's career class. And there's some really great things about all of these slide presentations. This one is one that we need to fix. If I just showed you this, how many of you would have read these words over here? And honestly, myself, I'm too busy looking at this cute little fox. Look at him. He looks pretty fun. I didn't read these words either. It's not that this GIF is inappropriate or even unprofessional for the slides, but we need to really focus on what the purpose of this slide is, which would be to tell us this information over here. So we can change how this slide is set up so that when we play the slide, the first thing that shows up is the title, and then when we click the words, and when we click again after we've already discussed the words on the page and talked about the purpose of the slide, then we can add the little bit of fun interactive piece to the slide. So all of these things on the slide are great, but when we put them in the right order, they're even better. So how do we do this? When you have your slide pulled up, there's a button here that says Transitions. And it has both transitions and animations in it. Okay, so all of these slides are going to, when they flip the page, this one has chosen to change by cube, so that when the page turns, it cubes in and out. You could choose any of these. Gallery is another popular one. And if you click Apply to All Slides, when you turn from one page to the other, you'll see now it just slides one in, slides the other out. Okay, that's the gallery one. So you can choose, you just need one transition for all of your slides, or you could choose to do them individually. Now, how do we get it so that we have the right things in the right order here? That's how we choose to do these things in animations. So the first thing that I wanted on my slide was job description. Because that's the first thing I want there, I don't have to do anything for it. It's going to be automatically there unless I tell it to show up at a different time. So the second thing I would want to show up is probably my information. So when I click over here, I can click this Add Animation button, and it's going to give me some options. The most common ones you just want to have is on click. And by having that selected, now we can see, okay, I've got my text here, and this was already animated. When I clicked on the GIF, it animated to show in or to fly in from the left once it's clicked. I want that to happen after my text. So I can just click and drag and move it here. Now, if you accidentally did it twice, which I have done before, say I clicked on my GIF and I wanted to add an animation and I've got it all set up, now you can see, oh, I've got it, my words fading in when I click, and I have it flying in from the left, and it's also going to fade in. So I duplicated that. When you click and open up the options here, there's a little trash can, so you can delete any of those things. So that is how you have transitions and animations within your slides.